This is Lib Channel. In this episode, we would like to share to you our experience in controlling insect pests using the technology Natural Insect Attractant or NIA. The objective of which is to reduce insect population, especially the harmful insect pests. This technology was released by the Department of Agriculture in order to help farmers or the gardeners improve their crop production. We will share the steps in the preparation, the materials needed, as well as its application. We have here the materials needed in preparing the natural insect attractant. First, we need 3 liters of clean water. We need 1 liter natural vinegar, not the industrial vinegar. And then we also need 1 kilo brown sugar, a container, any available container for mixing, and then any available tool for mixing. And of course, we need the empty mineral water bottles. The procedure in preparing: you mix the sugar, 1 kilo sugar, the water, clean water, and then 1 liter natural vinegar. And then mix thoroughly. Until the sugar dissolves. And then how to apply? First, cut out holes on 2 opposite sides of the empty mineral water bottle. Then, put a tie wire for hanging. And then, transfer minimal amount of the mixture into the bottle. And make sure that the content do not spill out of the vent. make sure that the content do not spill out of the vent. Take extra care in putting mixture into the empty bottle. Okay, with the use of a tie wire, you can fix this in a strategic place. For a hectare farm lot planted with rice, corn, bananas, or fruits like mango, or high-value vegetables, or even ornamental plants, you can hang 100 bottles with a distance of 10 by 10 meters. Let's fight insect pests in our garden or in the farm.